Here's our elevated work platform on the digger, on the trailer, on the tractor. It could be a whole new world because it gives you an extra metre in height, doesn't it? It's just a Ansett freight pallet. That's got to be strapped to the backboard so it doesn't come off. Got the thumb still on there. Use that to climb up. There's the fantastic dual tow hitch, which also takes a 50mm ball. Just the right height on the blade, doesn't hit the counterweight. Tows the trailer beautifully. On our new trailer, which is for around the farm, to save the dreaded track motors, which apparently are only $300 anyway. Being towed by the mighty Fordson Dexter 3-cylinder Perkins diesel 1961. Awesome little tractor come ride a mile on our new trailer, made to fit. Probably a 1950 custom forklift paddock trailer with no springs. It was probably on the road actually. There you go. EWP. Elevated work platform for pruning on Monday. Chainsaw pruning, some big limbs on a mini excavator.